Want to earn money easily and quickly? Here are 5 simple and effective ways to boost your income effortlessly. One effective way to make some extra cash in your spare time is by taking online surveys. There are several reputable platforms where you can sign up, such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindel Research. These platforms connect you with companies that are eager to get your opinions on various products and services. By sharing your thoughts, you can help shape future offerings and get compensated for your time. Typically, you can earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey, and with consistent effort, you might make up to $10 per hour. It's a flexible option that you can do from the comfort of your home, while sipping on your morning coffee or during your lunch break. Just make sure to choose legitimate sites to avoid scams and maximize your earnings. 2. Sell unwanted items. Declutter and list items on eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Earn up to $100 per month. Method 3. Freelance work. In today's digital age, offering freelance services has become an increasingly popular way to earn a living or supplement your income. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, there are numerous opportunities available for you to showcase your skills and get paid for your expertise. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have revolutionized the freelance industry, making it easier than ever to connect with clients from all over the world. On these platforms, you can offer a wide range of services such as writing, graphic design, social media management, web development, and much more. To get started, create a compelling profile that highlights your skills, experience, and portfolio. This will help you stand out to potential clients. Once your profile is set up, you can start bidding on projects or creating gigs that showcase what you can offer. Freelancing allows you to set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Depending on your skill level and the demand for your services, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $25 per hour, or even more. It's a flexible and rewarding way to work on your own terms. Method 4. Watch videos. Sign up on Inbox Dollars or Perk TV to earn money by watching videos. You can earn up to $5 per hour. These platforms offer a variety of video content, ranging from short clips to full-length shows. Whether you're interested in entertainment, news, or educational videos, there's something for everyone. The process is simple. Create an account, start watching, and accumulate earnings. The more videos you watch, the more you can earn. It's a great way to make use of your free time, especially if you enjoy consuming video content. Plus, you can do it from anywhere, on your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. So if you're looking for a fun and easy way to make some extra cash, give Inbox Dollars or Perk TV a try. Happy watching and happy earning. Method 5. Rent out a room on Airbnb. You can earn up to $500 per month by hosting travelers. Start earning easily today. Remember, these methods won't make you rich, but they're simple ways to supplement your income.